What is up, gentlemen? Scrembo here from Emotions Crypto Trading. Today we're going to continue our discussion with Cardano and have our price analysis or technical details as usually explained in details. So the whole crypto market cap is up by 1.6%. Meanwhile, Cardano for the past 24 hours is 0.57. So it's not really connected to the percentages of the global crypto market cap yet. At the time it starts pumping, for sure it's gonna be on top of the averages, like always. 15-minute candlestick is gonna be around our discussion of the day. What do we have here? So just like explained with you yesterday, folks, on 24th, today is 25th, by the way, we are talking about a situation of a triangle which is getting itself squeezed, and we are quite near of needing the breakout because it is impossible to continue without it. This is the triangle that has a resistance line starting from 19th of August, and then the support line starts from 22nd. It pushes like this, as you can see, and it wants to hold the market and the levels quite accurately as of now. The first question that goes around my mind is, where do we break out? So I'm not going to have any issues looking for that information in real time because I know it's going to be valuable and the push is going to come into the markets once it is completed. So I'm going to have a good time just looking around and waiting for the data. However, in the way the whole structure is represented, right, dumping and then slowly pumping, basically this is oriented upwards. It is positioned upwards. It's not positioned downwards. The price from a day to day is having averages that are higher, which is great. But that doesn't mean, as you can see, you're not getting rejected on the tops. You do get rejected. Have a look at the wicks. Have a look at the selling pressure appearing right next to them. It is something to have in consideration. As well, the two yellow lines that are located next to the breakout possibility are the golden pocket representation of the structure of 15 minutes, which also punishes us on the selling pressure. So the idea is, once you get out of the 47 cents mark, you successfully establish yourself above. You're going to break out the 47.5 and get towards easy 50 cents mark for Cardano. Once again, we can easily fly to 53, which is going to be one of the targets. 53 cents at the time BTC is going to do its breakouts as well. Ethereum too. Everyone is looking forward to having a decent altcoin movement with this Ethereum merge that is upon us. So Cardano sits pretty well. On the other side, it's not going to be a disastrous situation if Cardano is losing the support, because below this there is a significant support line as well located. So that one is going to be the major one, and it's still the major one in between the two. It's still the major one, the one that's below. The one that's above, it's a minor support line. So it's not an issue if we lose that, because then once again with the major one and with the against the resistance one at the top, we're going to form a triangle sooner or later. So I wouldn't be worried about that at all, guys. This is pretty much where we are at the moment, located in a quite decent situation. For those of you which value education and think that in life you can achieve success by working hard and getting yourself educated and skilled in a field, feel free to check out scrembocoaching.com, my page describing how the coaching that is one-to-one directly with me between 4 to 6 weeks, intense and private, is working, is functioning. You can find out more on the page, and you can also have a free conversation with me at 15 minutes. As well, register now for more information, and I'll get back to you on your email. On the other side, if you want to follow my trades, if you want to be part of the movements, what do I trade for myself? We can trade for you as well. Through API, no upfront fees. It's just commission out of the pure profits we make. That's all. Simple commission after profits are made. This is all. On the left side of the page, we have our trading performance documented since September 2017. And then on the right side of the page, you have instructions on how you can join and how those commissions are working. So this is pretty much all, folks. This page is scrembocoaching.com/today. Both links can be found in the description area and comments area. That's all, folks. Have a good time. Subscribe, hit the like button, and enjoy the day.